Hey everybody, so after doing my little everyday makeup tutorial this morning, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I curl my hair. So I like to do like a beach wave sort of thing, and I never thought I would be doing this for an everyday look, but it's so much easier than straightening your hair, and a lot of people have asked me how I do it, so I'm here to show you. Okay, so the only thing I'm gonna be using today is my flat iron, a clip, and I already had some Primarily Pure texturizing dry shampoo in light locks in my hair just to add some texture to it. And then when I finish, I'm going to be using this Beautycounter Volume and Shape Mist as sort of like a setter hairspray sort of thing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is split my hair with this clip and brush it out just a little bit. So I just get like a little section of my hair. The first two spots by the front of my face, I twist away. And all I'm doing is just putting it in my hair, twisting it, and then pulling it down until close to the end. I don't want to get all the way down at the end because that'll just make it look too curled. But where I change is where I flip directions towards the back. So now I'm gonna be twisting towards my face and pulling out. And that's it. And I'll just be flip-flopping. So now that part is done on the bottom, and I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna try to texturize it or change anything until the end. I'm gonna section off the top, and now I'll do the middle. Again, by the front of your face, make sure that you put the curls away from your face. So again, just pulling towards the end and letting go. You wanna make sure that you're pulling outwards, not down, because I know a lot of people have tried this and they feel like their hair goes flat. There really is no like true technique to this except for just flip-flopping, but it's supposed to look like beachy and not perfect. So if you already have some curl to your hair, like I do, sometimes I just do the front and just try to like touch up the back, and it actually looks better that way. So that's done, and now I'll do the top. Around this part of my face, I really like to make sure that it's pulling away from my face. So I'll do like the first 3 strands or groups on this side of my face away. I just find that it looks better. And then I have like postpartum hair growth right by my face, so I have to really work on this part and straighten that part out. So that is it for the curling, and now I'm just gonna use this Volume and Shape Spray Mist, and this is sort of like my hairspray. I don't have any sort of like non-toxic hairspray yet, so this works pretty well. It's wetter than hairspray, so I let it sit for a few, probably minutes, I guess you would say, and just let it set in there. So after a few minutes of letting it sit, I'll ruffle my hands through, my fingers through my hair and make it look messy. Okay, so after letting it sit for a few minutes, I'm just going to ruffle my hands through it and just kind of make it messy. And if I had like an event or something to go to that night, I would wait until the last minute to do this. But you're just really like wanting to break up that curl to make it look like it is just like a beach wave. So that is it. I hope that was easy enough to follow. I'm not an expert at doing these sort of videos, so if you guys want to see anything else on a video, make sure you let me know in the comments below and I will do it for you.